What's going on guys, Samex here, and today I'm going to show you how to free up over 40 GB of storage on your computer for free in Windows 11. By freeing up storage, you will be able to achieve higher performance clocks and also make your PC faster with these simple tips I'm going to show you right now. Disclaimer, make sure to double check everything we go through and don't forget to make a restore point in case something happens, because in some of these tips you'll be deleting some personal files which you no longer need. To make a restore point, you need to press the Windows icon and type restore and select the first app. Once the page opens, select create and follow everything I do here. So to get started, we want to clean up temporary files that take up a lot of space and aren't useful to your PC. To that, simply tap on the search icon in the taskbar and type run. In the blank space, type temp and hit OK. If it says you need permission to enter a folder, click continue and select all files by pressing Ctrl and A at the same time and press Shift and delete at the same time to delete all the temp files. These files are created by apps to store useless files that were used and aren't needed anymore. You want to open the run apps once again and type %temp and press enter. If it's asking you for permission, press continue and delete all the files by holding Ctrl and A at the same time, then pressing delete. A big mistake I see a lot of people do is deleting the prefetch files, which are applied once an application starts. If you decide to eliminate these files, your apps and PC will boot up slower, increasing delay in games and causing FPS drops in some cases. One of the most important things you can do is use cleanup recommendations, which only on Windows 11, but you can still delete temporary files and apps with other versions of Windows like 10, 8 and 7. To access storage recommendations, you want to open settings and select storage on the right side of the page. Once you have opened the storage setting, you want to turn on Storage Sense for automatic cleaning and deleting Windows temporary files. Under Storage Sense, you have a setting called Cleanup Recommendations, which lets you clean temporary downloads automatically and uninstall apps that you don't use. This feature can clean up to 5 GB and it's surely worth giving it a try. When you click on it, you will see a lot of features you can use like temporary files and big apps. If you have any big apps you don't use, it's recommended to uninstall them. Temporary files here are optional because they include downloads, which represents everything you got from your Google, which you probably use. I don't recommend using the delete temporary files options because you can lose some good apps you probably use. Instead, using the large or unused files feature represents a much better choice because you can choose files you don't really need or use and instantly delete them. Another feature that is taking up a lot of space is the Hibernate function, which allows you to keep your PC in sleep mode for longer. This mode can take back to 40 GB, so it's worth disabling it. To disable it, all you have to do is click on the Windows button in the taskbar and type CMD. It's recommended to use administrator mode so it works all the time. To turn it on, simply right click on the CMD icon and select run as administrator. Once you have opened the command prompt, what you want to do is type this and click enter. If you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is type this. If you guys enjoyed the video and found the information helpful, make sure to like and comment because it really helped me out a lot. With that being said, if you like my content and want to see more interesting tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when I upload. Thank you very much for spending your time watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm Samex and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.